Hi, I'm Kevin O. I'm a senior and a NHS officers, and I'll be showing you how to make our poppy bracelets. So, how we begin is typically we take a long strand of string, typically ones that can stretch. Like, for example, we use this kind, and we just simply add a black bead through, followed by 4 red beads. And then we just move the beads towards the center of the string, and we take the end of we take the end with the black bead through the red bead, and then we pull it all the way through, and then we place 2 more, and pull it through the red bead right after the black bead, and then we just pull it through, and that would make our poppy. Next, you would just add white beads along the edges until you get the right length that you want, and then just tie a knot to form one of these bracelets.